Wow, we love to see some of the accomplishments of the Rotary Club 3820. You may take your seat, please. Thank you for sharing that, District Governor Gina. To proceed with our program, may I call on our Charter President, Diosdado Isolweta, for the welcoming remarks.
Okay. Game ka na ba?
Game na!
Game ka na ba?
Game na!
So, ulitin natin ha. Ang sasagot nyo, China. Okay, ha? Game ka na ba?
China!
Game ka na ba?
China!
The Queen herself and our governor this afternoon, Governor Gina C. To my friend, Assistant Governor, to the Secretary, and to the dignitaries, to our IPPs, PPs, and to all the Rotarians. Magandang hapon mula sa Southern Tagalog. Ngayong hapon ay meron tayong Governor's Visit at yung ibang members na naghanda mag-member ngayong January. At mga PN na din sa darating na panahon ay i-induct natin. So kahit ilan lang sila, at least nadaragdagan tayo at parami ng parami. Ang charter na ito ay ginawa natin upang mabigyan ang ating mga part dito sa party na Laylay, Gawing Tugasan, to Buena Vista, ng isang kaus-pusong serbisyo na ibibigay ng ating Rotary Club o Marinduque Premier. Ito'y pangalawang taon ko na bilang presidente sapagkat ng isang taon ay ako ay charter president at hindi na rin mawawala. So, charter president pa rin ako ngayon. At immediately after this meeting, magsisimula na tayo na i-charter ang ating Rotary Club of Premier, ang Elite Premier. Yan. Ito ay nakasituated ay sa parte ng Santa Cruz at Torrijos para lalong maibigay natin ang tulong na nalalagipang panahon kasi dapat by February or March mag-create na natin ang bagong Rotary Club. Sa pagmumuna ng minamahal nating gobernador na game na Iyan. Kung kaya nga po siya ay tuwang-tuwa sapagkat sa airport magiging regional airport na ito sa pamumuno ng ating minamahal na Congressman, Lord Alan Velasco, at ng ating gobernador, si Governor Velasco, and ito'y magiging ng regional airport. Ano po? Kung kaya doon natin ilalagay, Governor, ang ating marker, at ito ay mayroong pangalan ng ating governor at ng inyong charter president na makikita sa pangunahing paliparan sa rehiyon. At ba kayo? So game na ba kayo? Ayan. Sa lahat ng kasaysayan, at medyo ilang taon na rin naman ako sa Rotary Club, more than a decade ago, nakitaan ko ng selfless service ang ating panauhin. Nakita ko ang kababaang loob, nakita ko ang hands-on na ginagawa niya sa Rotary Clubs. At tayo sa kanyang panunungkulan, ang siyang ikatatlo na contributor sa TRF, ang Rotary Club District 3820. Palakpakan natin yan. Sa reviews na ipinakita, siya ang may pinakamalaki mula noong isang dekada na ang nakakaraan. katatapos pa lamang ng pandemya. Katatapos pa lang ng pandemya at itong mga ganitong leader natin sa Rotary International ay nagpakita na lahat na yata ng kanyang resources ay binibigay niya para sa ating lahat. Kaya nga, sabi niya sa akin, CP, gusto ko ang balak mo na magkaroon ng Rotary Club of Marinduque Elite Premier. Kung kaya tayo ay bibisita sa Korea upang makita natin ang best practices na paparaganip natin sa ating Mother Club, Rotary Club of Marinduque North. Ayan. So, ang Mother Club natin ay Rotary Club of Marinduque North. Wala tayo kung wala ang North. At tayo ay gagawa ng tatlo. Magiging tatlo tayo na magiging bantayo ng lubusang pagkilala sa fairness, respect, the four-way test, at gagawa tayo ng mga proyekto para sa ating mga kababayan upang makilala dito sa Katagalugan na ang sentro ay ang Marinduque. Tayo ay mangunguna sa pagtulong dahil hindi lamang yan sa resources ninyo mga miyembro, kundi pag nakikita ng ibang organisasyon, nakikishare sila. Kaya nandito at nirepresenta din ni Lenny Rodriguez ang Binondo Eagles, Binondo Elite Eagles Club. At sa 26 nga, ay meron sila na mobile clinic din, hospital on wheels, na tayo ay pwede din magpadala ng ating mga pasyente. Kaya, hindi ako nakikikumpit kailanman sa ibang organisasyon. We co-operate. In the VUCA world, we need to co-operate. We need to share resources as we can do. Because we are sharing ourselves. And service above self is the most important. Marinduque is an island province, Katagalugan, na dito idadaos ang Semana Santa ng Katoliko Romano. Ito ang religious center of the Philippines. Welcome po kayong lahat dito. At batid ko na pagod kayo, mahabang biyahe, pero alam ko nasisihan din kayo sa nangyayari dito sa ating clubs, dito sa Marinduque. Mula po sa puso, alalahanin ninyo na dito sa Marinduque State College, mayroon pong sa inyo'y tunay na nagmamahal. Magandang hapon.
Thank you so much, and true enough, with your assistance, perseverance, and industry, lagi pong nakasuporta sa Marinduque Premier o sa Rotary Club Marinduque Premier, ating Charter President, once again, Diosdado P. Zulueta. And to continue, may I call in our Rotarian Paloma Cida Chavez for the presentation of dignitaries, guests, and other Rotarians.
A pleasant afternoon po sa ating lahat. Once again, to our guests, to our visitors, visiting Rotarians, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. And of course, to our dynamic, energetic, and the most innovative President, and also the President of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier, Dr. Diosdado P. Zulueta. And of course, to our dignitaries, visiting and fellow Rotarians and guests, let me introduce po and acknowledge each and every one of you. So we will be starting po with the dignitaries. So of course, Gina ba kayo? So to our Governor, Ms. Gina C., the District Governor of the District 3820. Ms. Gina. For the District Secretary Operation, Ms. Jane Garcia. Welcome, ma'am. The District Secretary for Events, Ms. Fatima Acuña. For the Assistant Governor, A.G. Iboy Tan. To the Genuine Service President from RC Lucena North, Mr. Vic Mesa. Hello, sir. Welcome po. To the Rotary Club Support Office Secretary, Ms. Reggie De Los Santos. Hello, ma'am. And of course, to our past President and Club Advisor, Ms. Evangeline B. Mandia. Hello po. So those are the dignitaries po. Welcome po again sa Marinduque. And of course, our visiting Rotarians. So, kasi kami po ay medyo bago pala. So I would like to acknowledge po our visiting Rotarian. So we have Miss Flor Valias Hisuli, Rotarian RC Santa Cruz. Hello, ma'am. A.G. Vani Buhain, RCM North Buwak. Sir Aurelio J. Leba, RCMP Director. Hello, sir. To Mr. Joey Orlanda, the past president from RC Lucena North. Hello, sir. And of course, our fellow Rotary from Marinduque Club Premier. So, yan po, ang Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. So, let's start off with Maria Corazon A. Borja, our President-elect, Executive Secretary. Miss Joy Billaster Malilay, our Auditor. Miss Lenny Z. Rodriguez, our Director for Community Service. Mr. Marvin P. Plata, Director for Membership. Mr. Alfred Ofrecio III, Director for the Youth Service. Mr. Romeo Mataak Jr., Director for Public Image. Mr. Tan Mogol, as represented by Ma'am Joanna Crisaher. Mr. Jojo Leba, Vocal Jojo Leba, our member. Vocal Antonio Tres Mangkukang, our member. And Mr. Arnold S. Angeles, our member. So again po, also to our guests, the Putong Group, headed by the Culture and Arts Director, Ms. Ruby Ann Lantita, our co-faculty members and students po, and other guests. Again po, welcome to Marinduque State College and to this Governor's Visit and Second Club Induction. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Rotarian Paloma, for the presentation of our guest dignitaries. This time, karangalan po talaga namin na makasama dito sa Marinduque at sa Rotary Club Marinduque Premier ang ating District Governor, Gina C. Kaya we are so much happy at the same time. Nais namin ipaalam sa kanya at sa buong Rotary Club o sa mga Rotarian na nandito ang mga ginagawa, accomplishment, plans and programs, as well as the strategies of Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. And so, we will be proceeding for the presentation on and discussion of club trust and goals, as well as the strategies and timetable for 2022 to 2023. And to begin with, are we good na? Alright, unahin po muna natin ang presentation mula sa ating Committee on Membership headed by Director Marvin Plata.
Game ka na ba? Parang nagulat kayo. Game ka na ba? Gina! Gina, no? Game ka na ba? Gina. Game ka na ba? Gina. Okay po. To our District Governor, Miss Gina C. To our District Service President of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier, our President, Dr. Gustavo P. Salveta, other dignitaries who are here today, visiting and fellow Rotarians. We have our students from Marinduque State College and other faculty members. Isang mapagpala at malusog na araw po sa lahat. And I'll be presenting this afternoon the accomplishment and plans for the Committee on Membership as one of the vital committee for the Rotary, because without the members, we cannot do as one Rotary. So initially, we have 23 members, regular members for the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. So we started, sabi namin sa Gasat mag-start. But since Rotary is, kumbaga parang borderless ang Rotary, so we could accept or invite other members coming from other towns. Of course, we have members who are based in Manila, but they are also Marinduqueños. So this RCMP is a Rotary for Marinduqueños. Okay po, here is the report as presented, reflected in our PowerPoint presentation. So of course, the goal of the committee is to increase the number of members by 20% by next year or by 2023. So from 23 members times 20%, so we are expecting to add more members. So kung kaya i-exceed yung 20% by 50% or 100%, then we will do it. And we have a new challenge as what we are discussing or what our President said earlier. Sabi ni President, kailangan magkaroon ng Rotary Club of Marinduque Elite Premier. And that would be, I think, another responsibility for the membership committee to look for or to reach out other would-be members of the RCMEP. May gano'n na po tayo. RCMP, RCE, narito na ako. So, basta Elite Premier. Okay, so yun po ang ating maging goal. And of course, we really need to conduct capacity building activities for the old and new members. So mayroon po tayong mga updates and other things that we need to consider. That would be the plan of the committee for membership. So for the next slide, I'll be showing to you the new members for induction this afternoon. So we have our would-be Rotarian, Ann Sharina A. Borja, si Ms. Ann. Siya po i-induct natin. Additional for the chartered members of 23. And we have also our very supportive and very good Rotarian and at the same time board member of the province of Marinduque. Nandyan po si Bukal Aurelio Jojo Leva, ang ube ng bayan. Salamat po. Kahit hindi siya yung member na talaga, but he of course supported the RCMP sa mga projects po na ginagawa natin in the last months or last year. Then we have also isa rin po sa masipag at atin pong napaka-todo suporta din sa atin pagdating sa mga activities ng Rotary. Palakpakan po natin ang isa din sa ating mga board members ng lalawigan ng Marinduque, Bukal Antonio Tres Mangkukang III. Siya po ay ating i-induct this afternoon. And kasama din po natin ang head ng legal council ng province of Marinduque. Bagamat wala po siya dito, but he intend of course is pagpunta po dito, kaya lang mayroon siyang very important matter din. Co-equal activity that he needs to attend, so hindi po makakarating po, but of course, nandyan po ang support ng ating pong Rotarian Romel Fernandez. Si Attorney Romel Fernandez po, ang ating pong kasama din po. So by apat po tayo ng new members na i-induct po this afternoon. And we are looking forward to have new members. Actually, kausap na po ni CP, GSC President Dodi Solweta, ito po mga prospective members po natin. At nagbigay po sila ng intention nila to be part of our RCMP. Of course, we have our Governor, Presbytero Velasco, ang ating pong Provincial Governor. Siya po ay mag-member sa atin. together with our former speaker and Congressman Lord Alan J. Q. Velasco. We have our Provincial Administrator Michael O. Q. Velasco. And of course, I listed here some of the faculty members from our department sa Institute of Allied Health Sciences, and I am also eyeing, and our president are also looking forward to at least, hindi naman siguro enjoy, but para ma-encourage all the members, the community of Marinduque State College to join, because we are seeing MSC as an academic community to have all the resources, particularly in terms of education, teaching, whatsoever. We have health courses here, we have engineering, lahat po ng mga agenda at lahat po ng mga goals ng Rotary, mayroon po sanang academe na kasama kasi sila yung magiging taga-isip at the same time, sila din po yung sasama sa mga activities ng Rotary. And of course, yan po naman talaga ang ginagawa natin. Yung ating mga community outreach, Rotary and MSC, together with the students, with the faculty members. So we have here Ms. Divine Vito, our program chair for the Midwifery Department. We have in Rotary the Maternal and Child Project. So it's a very good partner with MSC na magkakaroon tayo ng project sa community in terms of maternal. And we are starting it, we are really continuing it. It is a continuous project ng MSC, but with the Rotary, I know the Rotary is giving support for this. So maganda po meron tayong tao that would be a member of this Rotary International. So si Miss Divine dito po yan. And we have also here Miss Maria Joan Ocampo, kasama din po natin ngayon, would be member of the Rotary. Si Ma'am Joan po nandyan. She's a nurse, our institute secretary, and we have also our development communication graduate who is very good, of course, in our publicity and other things. So pag-organize po, si Miss Kate Carol Matibag, nandun din po siya. So, would be members. And siguro makikita ko po yung mga ibang faculty members na nandito. Si Ma'am Bian, our Director for Cultural Arts, would be one of our members, pwede. And si Ma'am, ang ating pong asawa ng ating Director Rotarian, ang Jerome Mogol, maging member na din. Talagang binolunteer. And of course, other faculty members. So we have here also a psychologist. Isa po sa mga faculty natin, si Ma'am Cherise Montera. So pwede rin po natin siya maging part of our Rotary. So sabi nga po natin in Rotary, sasabihin ng iba, pangmayaman po yung Rotary, but it's not really that thinking, If you have the real service above self, and if you really want to work, and to give your real service to the people, that would be a very good start for you. Sabi ko nga, kung nung dati, we are doing the outreach in MSC, meron tayong pondo coming from the government to share to other people. But in Rotary, you really have to get something out of your pocket. And I think that is the real service. There must be a sacrifice for you para makapagbigay ka ng real service to the people through Rotary International. So thank you very much for, of course, to our president, my mentor, for giving us the chance to be here and to share whatever things that we have. Hindi lang po siya basta material things, but of course, yung pong ating pagmamahal at serbisyo para sa lahat ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na sa atin pong mga taga Marinduque. Kasi nakikita naman po natin ang pangangailangan ng ating pong lalawigan at ng ating pong mga kababayan. So yun po, magandang hapon muli sa inyong lahat. Isang malusog na araw para sa lahat.
Thank you so much, Director Marvin Plata, our head for membership. And to continue, we have here Director Lenny Rodriguez for the presentation of the community service accomplishments and plans and programs.
And thank you so much, Director Neil, and good afternoon, everyone. To the District Governor, Ma'am Gina C., to the dignitaries, faculties, students, guests, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Yes, So thank you so much for gracing this occasion today with us. I am privileged and honored to present to you the plan and programs of the community services that we completed this 2022. Yes, so last July 2 of 2022, we have kicked off project, which is bamboo tree planting, okay, at Marinduque State College, and was coordinated with a group of Marinduque State College staff, the local government unit of Kapayang. So that's one of barangay, that's last July 2 of 2022. Yan po yung kick-off natin doon sa ating services. Yan, that's the actual planting activity at the back of one of the MSC building. Kasi napapanahon ngayon yung climate change, we would want to impart a tree planting program to prevent and help the spread and of the greenhouse effect that we have in the global warming. So one of the planting program is of course to help our environment. Next would be the Coastal Cleanup Drive last July 2, which was held at Barangay Ulong Beach Resort. Ayan. Nandyan din po yung ating mga directors who help with a specific coastal drive. So the goal for that is that to raise awareness in the population about the marine pollution naman. So we are more in environment and to contribute with the reduction of garbage and plastics in the area. So you'll be able to see may mga nakatira po dyan sa areas na yan, and we would want to make them aware that we are existing here in Marinduque, which is the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. Next is, of course, hindi mawawala ang ating feeding program. By batch po ito, we have held 2 batches. First would be October 9, and next was last October 22. Yes, so the first po, we have fed 75 kids. We came up with data from the local government unit, which is the barangay health workers. Sila po yung nag-identify ng mga bata na qualified for this program. The second would be 75 parents, and there are some photo ops. Next slide. Ayan. So it is leveled up because may mga games and gift giving din. So hindi lang siya feeding program, we give gifts, okay, na included doon. So mga slippers, binigay po natin sa mga bata. So, next po. Ayan. The beneficiaries were again came from the predetermined of the barangay health worker based on their weight and age. So alam po natin, every barangay meron niyang mga barangay health workers who had their record doon sa mga qualified na pupunta. And predetermined, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon na tayo ng information education campaign that we will be going to the area at magbibigay po tayo nito mga pagkain na to and konting gift giving doon sa area. Ayan. And then, last October 9 of 2022, we gave solar lamp distribution. Next slide. Yeah, through a district grant, 25 families received a solar lamp. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating district. Ayan. So, more families actually requested for the solar lamp kasi very helpful sa area. Lalo-lalo na dito sa Marinduque, may Christmas light, minsan brownout. So, it really would be great kung makakapagbigay pa tayo ng additional. But of course, the family really grateful for what they received from us. Next slide, please. Ayan. So yan, nagbangka pa talaga ang mga Rotarians natin going doon sa area na pagbibigyan, isolated areas. Next, please. Ayan. Kasama po doon sa pagbibigay, actually yan yung kasama pa doon sa feeding programs na mga gift giving. Meron din pa games. And I believe na meron pa tayong hinire na magician. Next please. Ay. Ayan. So enjoy, yun nga po yung mga slippers na binigay, food, food also and games. And then meron dyang magician. Ayan. Kasi galing po tayo sa pandemic. For how many years? Talagang deprived yung mga children na makakita ng mga actual na ganyan. So, they're very happy. Added bonus po yan na hinard po ni Bokal Jojo Ube. Palakpakan po natin sa, yeah, very generous naman po siya. So, nakita po ninyo yung mga bata, hindi naman palagi may ganyan. Not all na nagkakaroon ng parties dito, merong mga magician. So, diba? So, nakakatuwa that we are able to see the smile from the children. Ang Rotary kasi and community services not only focuses doon sa adults and yung mabibigay natin doon sa families, but also what we impart is the happiness that we bring to each individual of all ages. Diba? Yan po yung ating objective. Ayan, so, as part as well, we supported a chess tournament last November 13 here. So, the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier support the projects generating the skills of Marinduqueños. Buwak Night Club organized the first Governor's Cup, which held a series of events providing opportunities to play chess with the giants of chess. So, yan po yung events noon. And then, spearheaded po ito ni Engineer and Mrs. Bautista and incoming Assistant Governor Giovanni M. Bohain. Yan, palakpakan po natin sila. Very good din. So, not only we give, para mapasaya yung mga bata, no, we also would like to impart na we also give skills. Kasi that is for long term. Diba? So, hindi lang tayo magbibigyan ng tsinelas after 6 months or so, wala na siya. Diba? We don't just feed one day. We give a long-term service to the people and impart by giving skills to the people na hindi nila makakalimutan. So, yun po. Next. So, we are looking forward, Governor, for additional projects that we would be creating dito sa province of Marinduque. Marami nating chances, maraming areas na pwede natin mabigyan pa. Hindi, again, we cater all ages. We would like to impart happiness. We would like to give skills, not only yung mga items na ibibigay for short term, but we are looking for a sustainable development and futuristic. So again, I'm Ms. Lenny Z. Rodriguez, the Director of Community Service. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Director Lenny Rodriguez. But before we proceed with the presentation, we are so happy kasi binisita po ulit tayo at nakikita ko ang presensya ng ating pong immediate o past District Governor, Dennis Suño, immediate past District Governor Angie Suño, and past District Governor Dennis Suño. Yung nakita ko po sila nung nag-launching ng dialysis center dito sa bayan ng Buwak. Welcome po ulit sa Marinduque. And so, si-serenade po muna tayo ng ating mga kasama dito sa Marinduque State College, Contuman, Bituing Marikit, mula kay Justin Lil Liasos. Kasama si Clint Sean Manlangin para sa isang presentation. Permission. By the way, si Mr. Justin, siya rin ay nanalo, champion sa katatapos lamang na Straso Contingent Competition. Once again, Mr. Justin Lil Liasos. Alright, so we also have here Mr. Clint Sean Manlangit para sa kanya. Para marinig naman natin yung kanyang presentation. International number using saxophone. Thank you so much, Philippe Manlangi, for the wonderful presentation of Besame Mucho. Parang nakikita ko si PGG na gusto nang sumayaw. Okay. Alright, to continue with our presentation, may we call on our Director, Rogel Limpiada, for the presentation of the accomplishments and plans of vocational service.
To our dynamic and very supportive President, Justin Dos Solveta, and to our District Governor, Governor Gina C., and to all our fellow Rotarians, magandang hapon po. So, unahin po natin yung mental health. Okay, so for disease prevention activity, we are proposing school-based preventive project in suicidal thoughts and behavior in Marinduque State College and Marinduque National High School. So the project was conceptualized in response to alarming incidents of suicides among students in Manila and some isolated cases in the province of Marinduque. And because suicide is the second leading cause of death among youth aged 10 to 25 years, and approximately 1 in 6 adolescents reported serious suicidal ideation in years past. And for the project objectives, to identify the level of risk of suicidal tendencies among students through a suicide screening assessment tool, and establish school-based suicidal prevention programs in collaboration with the Office of the Student Counselor. And let me read the proposed title of Director Rogel Limpiada. Number 1 is Marinduque Youth Leaders Congress and Vocational Development. So this will be a high-flex Congress, possibly face-to-face and remote, wherein we will invite various professionals to talk about profession and leadership. Next is Kapehan, or Competency Advancement of Professionals and Educators Honing Academic Leadership and Nurturing Attitude. This is a retooling for professional teachers and administrators, wherein we will invite luminaries in the academy to share their vocation as teachers and school leaders. And Gabay Project, gearing up towards advancement of business acumen among the youth. So we will invite businessmen and entrepreneurs who will share knowledge and skills in putting up businesses and enterprises. So lahat po iyon ay dito-workout na and prepare, and by January po ay matatapos na. Thank you po.
Thank you, Vocational Service Head or Director Rogel Limpiada. And to continue with our presentation, we have here Director Alfredo Ofrecio of Youth Service.
very much, Sir Mio. To our District Governor, Madam Gina C. To our Charter President, the Smart Working President of Marinduque State College, Professor Dr. David P. Zolweta. To our fellow Rotarian, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Please allow me to present the plans, projects, and activities. And sing the song Heal the World. Of course, participated with our Charter President, Professor Dr. Zolweta. Ayan po. It also facilitated or assisted in the conduct of the first Governor's Cup chess tournament as discussed by Rotarian Lenny earlier po. So, ito po yung isa sa mga project na pinapromote po ng ating youth service for the youth. So, yun na po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Director Alfredo of Resho of Youth Service. Next, presenter will be the chairperson of International Service to be presented by our future Rotarian, Joanna Sahera Mocal.
Thank you po. Good afternoon to everyone. Now I'll be presenting to you po as representative of my husband, the International Services Report. Alright po, as we all know that the Rotary has been developing and improving the campaign on End Polio. So yung pinakang ina-adapt po ng Marinduque, Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier is to end polio on different means and different ways. Now, how are we going to support that kind of advocacy? So, briefer lang po yan. We can go to the next slide. Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier exerts concerted efforts in promoting our global mission of the Rotary. We adopt locally the different projects, programs, and activities to different communities in Marinduque, such as the provision of the clean water, the renewable sources of energy like the solar lamp, educational support, and sustenance on the improvement of local economies. Next slide, please. So when you become a member of the Rotary Club Marinduque Premier, you will become a person who solves problems. You will become a leader who takes action, and you create lasting change.
You will become a friend and neighbor to communities across the globe. So that will be the stand of the Rotary Club Marinduque Premier. Next slide, please. Okay, Bob, next slide, please. So that is how we are going to end polio. We will adopt the international vision of the Rotary International. So, ang Pilipinas po ay nag-start noong 1979 kung saan nagkaroon po, next slide po, next please. Kung saan nagkaroon po ng pag-end ng polio sa lahat ng mga affected children. And in 2020, 2 countries na lang ang polio endemic. Next slide. So ano pong gagawin ng Rotary Club of Marinduque para po magampanan natin yung ating advocacy on end polio? First, we are going to support all end polio campaigns of the district, be it yung coastal cleanup, be it different kinds of forms, we will give our full support. We will launch an awareness advocacy campaign on the different end polio now projects of the Rotary and conduct fundraising projects such as selling of caps and mugs with end polio now logo. Next slide, please. The strategic plan of the Rotary Club Marinduque Premier is aligned to the 4 priority thrusts of the Rotary International. We provide impact, we reach out, we engage, and we adapt. So the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier strategy for 2022 to 2023. First, we are going to establish a partnership through a memorandum of agreement with the Marinduque State College to help utilize our researches. The research of the Marinduque State University is in full support of the vision of our institution on responsive research-based community programs. With the help of the Rotary, we will be able to uplift the research outputs of our institution internationally. Next box. Yes. Next. And also to sustain our community programs not only in Gaspar, but we will adopt it in other communities in the Philippines kung saan ito provide natin ang mga solar lamps, and we will have a tie-up with other international funding agencies. Next po. Ayan po, ito lang yung tagline nila. The Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier has taken a small step forward, moving towards better and bigger impact to the community, not only in Marinduque but internationally. Thank you po.
Thank you, future Rotarian Joanna Sahera Popol. We understand na yung iba pa pong mga head ng iba't ibang mga services ay gusto mag-present, however, due to time constraint, alright, so, by the way, ako na supposed to be yung mag-represent mo ng DG. Pero bakit, gusto ko lang pong advantage of opportunity. Part ng public image ay nag-create po kami ng, inactivate po namin yung social media, yung Facebook page. So, in-encourage ko po yung lahat ng miyembro at the same time, yung mga nandito po, na please follow and subscribe through our Facebook page, facebook.com/Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. Yan. At the same time, nagawa ko kami ng vlog site para sa Rotary Club. So, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung RCM Premier at blogspot.com para mag-updated po kayo. At the same time, continuous po namin ginagawa. Summits na po namin yung aming bulletin. Yan. So, I will be turning you over. Opo.
Pwede na rin siguro siya para ma-discuss dito.
Sige pa, sige pa. Okay. Sige. Naghintay talaga sina Vocal and Rotarian Tres Mambukan. So, gusto rin marinig ni DG yung presentation para sa Rotary Foundation. And that, of course, will be presented by our board member, Tres Mambukan.
After that,
magandang hapon sa lahat. At isa na mga makasaysayang na araw sa lalawigan ng Marinduque. Ano po, sa Rotary Club, sapagkat bisita tayo ng ating district Governor, ang lahat ng kanyang mga kasamahan at isang napakalaking karangalan. Ano po, kung kayo ay aming makataupang palad at pamakinig dito sa ang lalawigan ng Marinduque. At ito po ang direktor ng The Rotary Foundation, Italian Press, and the future President, ano po? Sa kanina na, ano po? Ano bang yun? After President-elect Ma'am Cora, tayo na. Ay, di pa muna. At ating pong ibibigay itong ulat para sa ating Rotary Foundation. At nais ko ibatay siyempre ang aking Pangulo ng Rotary Club Marinduque Premier, ang Pangulo ng Marinduque State College, ang aking kapatid, alam ko ito yung kapatid yan, Governor, ano po, ang nagkwento na ako, no? High school ako, college siya, magkasama na ako. Magkaibigan ng family. So magkasama kami tayo sa bagay. At syempre si Ling Benny, nandiyan din si Bukal Georgia Teta, at lahat ng ating mga battalions. The Rotary Foundation helps Rotary members to advance world understanding, goodwill, and peace by improving health, providing quality education, improving the environment, and alleviating poverty. And the Rotary Club Marinduque Premier is aware of the importance of the Rotary Foundation to the projects of Rotary International. This is why, even that the club is relatively small and new, it has plans and programs to show support on the Rotary Foundation. As a strong proof of this support, two Rotarians gave their contribution to the Rotary Foundation. Of course, our very own pagkadala siya, si Senator ng Rotary Club of Marinduque North, siya na yung talagang tuloy-tuloy, continuously, giving this distribution sa Rotary Foundation, Charter President Gustavo Silveta, and Director Dennis A. Rodriguez. Anong kapatid ka ng ating Charter President? And we would like to announce by next year, this representation, and also the other board member of Bukal Georgia Beba, pledge tayo na mag-contribute tayo for the 2020 for the Rotary Foundation. Next year. As they keep saying, cooperation is for conviction that nobody can get there unless everybody gets there. By Virginia Burden. Next.
I guess that
Meron pa ba? Yun na.
Namulit talaga sa
Parang nabitin ako doon. Kasi hindi ako mapipigil eh. Dapat ko pinagsalita ko rin isang oras eh. Anyway, good afternoon at mabuhay po kayo.
Alright, thank you so much, board member and Rotarian Tres Mampuka. Also, in addition pala dun sa public image po, nasa pipeline na po namin yung suggestion ni DG na maglagay po ng signages doon po sa harap ng Marinduque Airport. Pagdating po ng mga bisita, lalo na pag nagsimula na po ulit yung pagbiyahe ng mga aeroplano, yun pong signage ng Rotary Club, Marinduque Premier, yung makita nila doon sa airport. Alright, now I will be turning you over to our PE for the continuation of this program. Alright.
Okay, I know that since our first time and everybody would like to share what has been done and what they plan to do. But of course, we have the kind element of time. But of course, you will still be given your chance to share, okay? So we'll have a little modification of our program. And those who are still planning to present, meron pa po naman kayo time. And in the meantime, we prioritize. So we shall now proceed. I'm sure our district governor has clear ideas of what has been done. Those are going to report. So we would like to hear a response from you and, of course, your inspirational message. Our district governor, Gina C.
Thank you very much. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, past District Governor Dennis Sunyo and immediate past District Governor Angie Sunyo. Thank you po for being here. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge my District Secretary for Events and Operations. Actually, I'm really very impressed for a new club to have presented that very detailed, a lot of projects, and very long for a very new club to have that very, very long presentations of all your projects, all the efforts. This is really unique. All those efforts, it's really, how do you call it? Impressive. Impressive and very impressed for all those accomplishments. Actually, this is the reason why I'm very excited to make a visit in every club. Kasi I wouldn't know that this club is very vibrant until I walk to the door and make this governor's visit. And I also tried to look for a connection with me and my president. And I've seen, the first time I met press was in the Mooncake Festival, and I've already seen the connection because we were talking about the district grant. I think that district grant was really intended to be given to them because you've seen those many projects. This is the only time that a very new club would be given a district grant. And probably that was really intended for you because you have so many projects and you really need to be given a district grant. Kapalit na po ng lahat ng efforts na nagawa nyo sa dami ng mga projects na nai-present nyo. So I'd like to really congratulate you for all those projects. And wait, I made some notes. Yeah, and because of that, I think the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier is actually really making a history. Yung po mga bagong members, you should really be proud that you are going to be a member of this club. Kasi this club is really making a history with all those projects less than a year. Imagine nyo, yes, less than a year ang club na ito. And doing all those projects, you should really have a really good leader in order for you to do this. And palakpakan po natin ang inyong presidente. Probably, really, for sure, it's your leadership. Of course, all the members of the club supporting the leadership. And of course, you have the Interact, you have the Rotaract, and another very, very big point is you chartering a new club. This is really the real history of a new club chartering another new club. Nobody can do that. A new club chartering a new club. It is only the Rotary Club of Marinduque here that is going to do that. And I would like to congratulate and commend you for really doing this. And I thank you very much and appreciate because you are supporting the district's legacy project. Maraming salamat, Pres. Super salamat talaga. And your membership is also superb. You are putting Marinduque in the map. Not only you, of course, the Rotary Club of Marinduque North, for the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. And of course, I heard you also saying good words for Marinduque North. And this is the reason why kung makikita nyo lang po mga kaklaseng president ng the GSPs, they are so bonded together, very well bonded together, because this is the purpose, to bond them together so they can enjoy doing service together, making their club inspired by doing all legacy projects and all the help they can give their community. Hindi po tayo service lang ng service. We have to enjoy doing the service, and what will make us enjoy doing our service is our fellowship and us being bonded and be friends with each other. Yun po talagang intention, and I'm very happy hearing those nice words from the President, GSP of Marinduque North, to our GSP of Marinduque Premier and Marinduque Premier, saying nice words also to Marinduque North. I'm really very appreciative of all those, because of course we always aim high. We aim high but not to compete. Yun nga po ang sinabi ng Presidente. That's why I'm also very glad that I heard him speak. Sabi niya, he doesn't compete. Yeah, we aim high. We aim high not to compete with other clubs. We aim high because we want to be better than we used to be. Yun po ang ating purpose. That's why we aim high. Not to compete with everybody, but gusto natin lagpasan ng mga nagawa natin before. And I know that this guy is an influencer. That's why he wants to be better than what he has done before. He wants to be better than he used to be. And I'm sure everybody has seen that. And I can see it also based on what I've heard, based on what he has presented. I'm really very blessed to have you as President. Buti po nag-Presidente ulit kayo. I think this is your third time. So, thank you very much for that. And, okay, what is this? Yung ano po natin, I just would like to tell you, I think that the district is so blessed this year because we are number 6 among the 540 districts in the Rotary Foundation contribution in the whole world. Imagine your top 6 in the whole world. So we are putting not only the Philippines in the map, but we are putting District 3820 in the map. Kaya po datingan dito ang PRF Chair, Rotary International PRF Chair, Ian Ricey, the President-elect, Gordon McInally, he just came here, and of course, arriving next week is our first woman, RI President Jennifer Jones. Sabi ko, bakit kaya datingan dito ang malalaking tao ng Rotary International? Because we are number 6 district in the whole world. So, I'm sure, iniisip nila ano ba ang meron sa Pilipinas kung bakit sila number 6 in the whole world. Ano ba ang meron sa District 3820 specifically, not sa Pilipinas, sa District 3820. And I would like to thank everyone, most especially, syempre, yung mga genuine service presidents. And sa case po, i-press, of course, life-changing, genuine service presidents, and best president. Yan po, and of course, aside from that, I'd like to, of course, share with you that we are also number 1 in the whole Philippines for membership. Number 1 din po tayo sa buong Pilipinas in terms of membership. Just barely 5 months in existence in our term, we have already chartered 4 new clubs. And kaya po may connection kami ng Presidente. Hindi pa po naitatayo ang Marinduque Premier. Nagpa-plan pa lang po ako sa term ko, nung term po ng life-changing IPP governor natin, si Gov. Angie. I told myself, pag nagtayo ako ng mga clubs sa term ko as governor, I will name it Premier. And di ko nga po, naunahan na po ako ng Presidente niyo. Ang tinayo na niya is Marinduque Premier. So I have to continue. Na-premier din po ang itayo ko kasi na po, like Paguyang Premier po is 2 years in the making po namin yun ni Charter President Danny will be chartered this year will be named Premier. Nauna na po ang apat na clubs. Bonpen Premier, Kabuyang Premier, Balete Premier, and the newest one is Malarayan Premier. There are 4 more applications, Lobo Premier, Cuenca Premier with 50 new members, and Cuenca Premier, and I forgot Pitogo Premier, and there are 12 more clubs na inaayos pa po ang papers, and we are hoping that we can establish 20 new clubs this year. Medyo madami po yun. I am just hoping na ma-charter po lahat yun, but we are not sure. But at least we have 4 charter clubs and we have 4 in the application. So yun po. So aside from being the top in Zone 10, which includes Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, number 1 in DRF contribution, number 1 in the Philippines in membership. Makikita niyo po, pag inikot niyo ang buong District 3820, naglalakihan din po ang ating mga billboards, naglalakihan din po ang ating mga rotary marker, and of course, yung pong genuine service, hindi po iyon ang ating theme. Ang theme po natin is Imagine Rotary. But these presidents are called genuine service because we want to instill in their minds that we have to do our service genuinely. Kailangan po ibigay natin ang services natin doon po sa totoong nangangailangan. And how are we going to do that? By making our needs assessment in our community. Alamin po natin kung anong kailangan nila. Kasi no matter how much expensive po ang binigay natin sa isang community, kung hindi naman nila kailangan, ay hindi po yan. We are not going to make a difference in that community. And the genuineness of your service doesn't stop there. Kailangan po after the service, you have to go back and make sure na nag-succeed po ang inyong service. That is the totality of being and giving your genuine service. So having said all this, I'd like to congratulate again the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. I really appreciate all your efforts for all your projects, and I really would like to congratulate, of course, your president for leading all of you to do all these projects, nice projects, very vibrant club, very promising club, and thank you for all the new members. Maraming salamat po. And I hope you join me and all my genuine service presidents, and together we create the many possibilities we have imagined by doing our genuine service. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. That is our District Governor, Gina C. And you are able to inspire us. The news, the things that you have shared with us, those are very inspiring. And even though as we say that we're small, we shall continue with what we're doing. Thank you so much for appreciating. Alam niyo po, the greatest challenge of the club is the attendance. But no matter, because these are all busy people, but no matter, we try to be present during the meeting, and we do double effort to be part of every activity that we done. We will be remembering your inspiring life, such as aim high to be the better version of yourself, aim high to be the best version of ourselves. Okay? Now, we shall proceed to may I call on, of course, our president, chapter president, and I hope Sir Alfred is ready for the turnover of the governor's levy. To be turned over, of course, to our DG, sir. Okay, that is the governor's levy. Talagang na-levy sa pagkagawa ng flow. Governor's levy for 20 members. Alright.
course, we would like to bless our new members. We shall have our, medyo i-ano muna natin sila, no? Mag-i-induction po muna. I-anak po muna si Sir. Okay. So, syempre, for the members to be blessed, kailangan blessed din po ang ating president. So, we would like these opportunities. Charter Press, you will be inducted, of course. Hindi natin pwede walang blessing ng ating district governor. Okay? Yan. And wala po dito. May I request for everyone to please stand up for this part of the program? Okay. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been duly elected as president of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge faithfully to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my position, and that I will abide by and uphold Constitution and bylaws of my club and that of Rotary International, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self, and that I will promote this year's theme, Imagine Rotary. All this, I willingly pledge, without any mental reservation, nor purpose affiliation, so help me God. Congratulations to the meeting of President of the Marinduque Premier. Okay. Next we shall proceed to, you may now be seated po. Next we shall proceed to the charging of the new members. May I call on the following. Let me start with Bukal Jojo Leva, who's a new member but has contributed a lot to the club. Meron na po yung water installation sa Tres Reyes. Ano po? He is in the government service. Yan. Palakpakan po natin. Next, we have another from the government service. Ito naman po ay minamahal ng mga taga-Mugpo at hindi lang taga-Mugpo ng buong Marinduque. Let me call on Bukal Tres Mangkuka from the government service. Next is a Rotaract. Now I am forcing her to be a Rotarian because I will not be able to leave the Rotary without her. I'd like to call in Ann Sarina Borja, who is a private secretary. So, ganun din po siya. And also on ICT. May I invite our charter president to charging po muna. Let me call on, of course, past district governor Dennis Sunyo. Yan, charging. No, parang sa cellphone, no? You have to be charged to be able to fully cope with that responsibility. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Lord Dina, CP Gondi. I'm the ING, of course, our district officers present here today, members of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier. Good afternoon. Good afternoon din po sa inyo at nung magagaling ng mga future members of this Rotary Club, the premier club in the province of Marinduque. Nobody can dispute that that's in your name. Hindi naman makalaman si Bandy kasi she was the one who was also instrumental in this creation of RC Marinduque Premier, and of course himself helped a lot. Anyway, we're talking here about membership in Rotary, and according to Ms. Makuta, settled by anyway, Cora, thank you. Sinabi nyo kanina na they need to start it.
Yes.
Diba? Napaka-importante. Because hopefully, you don't stay in the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier only for a day, for a month, for a year. We want you to be here. You were invited to this club because they found they saw something in you. Merong agalingan kayo. Meron kayong innate characteristics na nakita ng inyong sponsor to invite you here. But you know, the life of a Rotarian is not a walk. It is not an easy and simple job. It requires a lot from you and a lot from your family. It requires your wholehearted cooperation with the club and with the community in general. First, some of you are in government service, so hindi na yung sa puso ninyo. As new Rotarians, of course, sometimes it can be a very challenging and arduous journey. Hindi po madali, kasi po, ang iba ay malimpa. But those who have a real and pure heart for service, hindi na sila mahihirapan. But still, Rotary is a little bit different from the rest of other social civic organizations. So, I'm sure there may be some difficulty sometimes. But imagine what you can do as a Rotarian. It will expand your world. Imagine if you can change the lives of your constituents, the people here in Marinduque, in Moa. Imagine if you can give Lord Gina the goals you want. You'll be part of that big goal, and each little drop that you share will create a big ocean of this critical distribution. However, many people always talk about time, talent, and pleasure. And of course, we understand that these are three very important parts and aspects of being a Rotarian. But I would like to add that Rotarian is not only giving your time, which is very important, giving your talent, and giving your pleasure. But I also think that as Rotarians, you must be excellent in the way you do things. Excellence means doing it consistently, doing it regularly. Hindi lang po minsan lang. Alam mo rin daw niya, hindi pwede yung excellent ka eh, swerte lang pala. May duty naman ng maganda araw na next year, wala na. So, as new Rotarians, I think your charter president wants you to be excellent in that person's class. So, dapat mayroong consistency. And you must put that hard work. Kasi kung hindi lang pwede pong maging maayos ang inyong buhay sa Rotary kung hindi kayo nagpa-participate. Diba? So, there's a lot of hard work. And, of course, gusto rin natin na meron po kayong integrity and action. Integrity means being honest, being doing the right thing, even if there's nobody watching you. Yun po ang mga gusto natin mangyari for new Rotarians. I'm sure you have been given orientation in the past. I just want to reiterate what has been said before, and hopefully you, as the new members of the Rotary Club of Marinduque Premier, will be, as I said, as some colleagues said before, be the better versions of yourself and ultimately the best versions of yourself. Thank you and good afternoon.
Yan, pabalik mo na si PDG mag-charge, no? Kasi lasting effect, no? Okay, so please remain on stage for your induction, which is to be done by our charter president. Special representative po. Social. Of course, they will be inducted now by our District Governor Gina C. May I request everyone to please stand up. Okay, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been duly accepted as members Rotary International District 3820 for Rotary year 2022-2023, to hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge faithfully, the best of my ability, the duties and responsibilities of my membership, and that I will abide by and uphold the Constitution and bylaws, my clause, and that of Rotary International, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self, and that I will promote this year's theme, Imagine Rotary. All this, I willingly pledge, without any mental reservation, nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations. Congratulations to our 3 new members. Meron po tayo talagang gusto na po si Attorney Romel Fernandez. Ayan. Lantasa, a few minutes, a few seconds for your picture taking. Napakaswerte, no? Kasi... And also, of course, like to invite for the picture taking our past district governor at saka si past district governor Angie Sunyo. Please come up on stage for a pose to make this oath taking a very memorable one. Superstar po itong tatlong ito. Imagine, star-studded ang kanilang oath taking. Another round of applause, everybody. Alright, and with that, tutuwan po natin, baka makakulangan ng oras ang RCMN, baka magkagalit pa tayo dahil nasa oras. Ano po? So we would like to cut short, joke lang po yun. We'd like to cut short our program, and I would like to thank everybody, special those and who traveled far to be with us. Thank you so much for gracing our first event. And to end this one, we shall have, of course, our adjournment. Ano?
By the power of the meeting, the Rotary Club International and the CIDs, action and Congress and share.
Yeah. Of course, ang final, ang highlight natin, ang ating mga masisipag na members, punta po kayo dito. No? Huwag po kayong mag-alala, lahat po ng report natin. Nakikita na po, nag-feedback na lang, makikita po nila yan. Isasama ko na yung aming mga slide deck, ma'am, kung gusto mo mag-shortcut, okay? May I invite everyone for a pose, for a, ayan, pwede po meron sa taas, meron sa baba, or pwede rin mag-upuan. Ayan. Upuan, guys, upuan. Ayan. Members sa taas. Si Rotarian Arnold, nagaling pa po iyan sa Maynila. Where's Rotarian Arnold? Ayan. Palakpakan po natin. Yan po ay pumunta dito para lang sa ating first governor's visit. Bukas yung aalis na. So, dapat yung nasa picture ka. Yan. Yan din. Si Director Lenny. Mga imported.
Imported. Bitin ito ang nangyari po.
Kailangan mo naman start study. One day talaga.
Para lalaki.
Kala ko board. Dalawang board ko.
Okay, that concludes our first governor's visit. We have taken our first step. We are now ready to move on. Special thank you to the coverage of Marinduque News Network ng MNS na headed by our public image, Rotarian Myong. And of course, ang ating masipag na si Eman is always with us in all the affairs that we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you as well, Director. Or PB President-elect, Congressman Warner.
Sir.